All right, number one goal is a nice, smooth 100 beats per minute. So you can start it slower than that, totally fine. I don't know about working it up in fives though, because this is a lot. Maybe tens, if you need to. So definitely practice with everything, and as you start getting used to everything, maybe the first thing to mute would be the MIDI guitar. Have the drums and the bass keep going. And then once that's feeling pretty good, mute the bass. And then when you get used to just playing with the drums, then switch over to just a click. So basically, get used to playing with everything. And then when that's feeling good, mute the MIDI guitar. After that, you mute the bass. Then you mute the drums, or basically just go to the metronome at that point. So this way you kind of slowly remove the other stuff until you're back to just a click. Speaking of just a click, this is what we have on the count of three. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Three. Okay, number 2. Still counting the threes, but lots of ghost drums this time. So here we go. Count of 3. Number 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, done. 120. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go to 160 for the repeats this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, things to remember. A very important thing to remember, we talked about last night. If you realize that something is wrong in the middle of a take, stop immediately. Address the mistake immediately. That's how we get better. Because if we just keep allowing us to stay in the realm of, nope, this is totally wrong, well, you just get good at sounding bad. Remember, you got to practice like you're recording. If what you're doing, if you know that, no, this is a bad take, just cut it right then and there and try it again. Really, really helps to make things more precise. All right, the Pantera practice. I haven't tried this, but I thought of an idea. I don't know if this would make it easier or harder. Yeah, that would make it harder. I just thinking you could also do it over here. But that'd probably make it just a little bit harder. But either way, you could do that. Go 5, 6, 7, and then the power chord. Or over here with the open string as well. same notes, just two different ways of doing it. But yeah, working on this guy. So you said what? It's 154. So 308. So here it is at 60. Or just one and done. Just one good take, go up 5. One good take, go up 5. Don't do several repetitions of it because we're trying to get as fast as we can with this guy. So one good take, move it up. Anyway, here we go. At 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make sure you switch your hand at the right time too. So after you get that, the first time you play the second fret, you got to switch over to the first finger. So this note right here, switch to your first finger on that note. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's start climbing up. So here it is at the 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now the 308. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, that fast click might be quite the challenge to follow. So, just keep track of where you get with this lick, or this riff. This is more of a riff than a lick. Keep track of where you get. And if you're hitting like consistently over 200 when you're working it up, we could talk about switching it to 16th notes. Just want to make sure that we're not trying to jump to the faster subdivision too early. Okay. Scale and chord stuff. So what I got here basically is just a way of going from the open E, going up one scale, down the next, up the next, down the next, until we get to the very end here, and then we'll resolve it to this A note. You're going to have to shift your hand a bit in order to make this work. Actually, let me just single it out like this. Alright, so just the lead part for now. And as always with this stuff, set it to whatever tempo works well for you. But yeah, the goal is to get this memorized so you can just play through it and not think so much about it. So just another way of memorizing and working through your scales. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the power chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, E5, F5, G5, A5, G5, A5, B5 flat, 5, E5, D5, B5 flat, 5, C5, C5 again, D5 flat, 5, A5. And the clean chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. 3, 4, F major. G major. A minor. G major. A minor. B diminished, E minor, D minor, B diminished, C major, C major again, B diminished, and A minor. Okay, that is that. So, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.